Hello, dreamers and digital artisans. You're tuned into our creative sphere once again. If you're passionate about digital art, today's episode is crafted just for you. So let's dive into a world where your artistic visions come to life. Imagine a place where your wildest art dreams become reality. Ever fancied crafting breathtaking landscapes or bringing to life characters that leap off the screen? Well, today we're exploring Tensor Art, a haven for artists like you. It's absolutely free. First things first, let's get you set up. Open your browser and head over to Tensor Art. Click Sign In at the top right corner. Here, I'll go with Continue with Google. Once you're in, pick a cool nickname. Upload your avatar and voila, you're in with 100 daily credits for your image creations. And stick around, I've got a secret tip to boost those credits without spending a dime. In the model section, you'll find a gallery of images crafted by fellow users. Whether it's serene landscapes or vivid portraits, there's a model for every style. And here's a twist. Unlike mainstream AI tools, Tensor Art even dabbles in more mature content, all within your creative control. Among the popular models are Dream Shaper, Anything, and MidJourney. Each has its unique flair, from anime to fantasy. Ready to start? Head to Workspace, pick a model that resonates with your vision. Whether it's realism or cartoonish charm, there's a perfect match for your creative itch. Now let's finesse your art. Ever faced those odd distortions in hands or faces? Meet Laura, your digital art ally. Laura helps blend styles for that perfect look. And there's more. Control Net. It's like a digital choreographer, capturing poses and compositions with precision. In the prompt box, paint your vision with words, what you want and what you don't. And for those seeking perfection, image denoising is your tool. It tells the AI how closely to follow your image guide. And don't worry about size. Whether it's portrait or landscape, Tensor Art adapts. But here's the showstopper: Remix. Select an image, hit Remix, and watch as your art transforms, offering endless variations. It's like having a creative genie at your fingertips. And now for that secret I promised: unlimited free credits. Simply invite friends to join Tensor Art using your link. Each new user nets you 200 credits. It's that easy. Thank you for journeying with us in this artistic adventure. If you loved this dive into digital art, smash that like button, share the magic with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI artistry. Until next time, keep creating and exploring in our next artificial intelligence tutorial video.